Everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to turn off Android keyboard clicking sound. So you have to just simply go to the settings of your Android device. So you have to tap for the search bar for type keypad tunes. So you click to keypad tunes. So you have to first of all you have to turn it off screen touch and turn it off startup sound. So you have to click to keypad tunes and select to none. So you will be not by type keyboard clicking, you will not listen sound. So this is how to turn off Android keyboard clicking sound. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.